Is it possible to connect SharePoint lists located on different SharePoint sites? Unfortunately, a regular SharePoint lookup column has limitations and can only connect lists located within the same SharePoint site. Fortunately, Plumsail Forms for SharePoint offers a solution, Lookup Control. This control resembles the SharePoint lookup column. However, it can link lists located on different SharePoint sites within your tenant. So let's look at our example. Here we have the store locations list, and let's imagine that a regional manager may want to see all the sport categories available in each store location. However, the sport categories list is located on a different SharePoint site, so we will be using Lookup Control from Plumsail Forms. And later in the video, we will also see how to display all store locations where a particular sport category is represented. To achieve this, we'll be using another fantastic feature available from Plumsail Forms called List to Library Control. So let's open Plumsail Forms for SharePoint app and connect to Sports World HQ site and Store Locations list. Next, find Lookup Control and drag and drop it onto the form. Let's give it a name, Sport Categories. And now on the right-hand side, under Data Source, we'll link it to Sports World site, where the sport categories parent list is located. Choose Sport as the display field. Next, save this control to a new field. We'll name it Sport Categories. We'll opt for multiple selection as the store will have merchandise related to more than just one sport. And remember to save the form. Now let's go back to the SharePoint list. And in the new column we created, I'll add the sport categories that can be found in each store. For example, in the downtown location, we can add football, skiing, running, cycling, swimming, and tennis. And I'll fast forward adding the rest of the sports. Let's go back to the Forms for SharePoint app. Here we're connected to the sport categories parent list. So let's add another panel in the accordion container, and we'll call it Store Availability. Next, drag and drop List to Library Control. Click Configure, and in the data source, we connect to Sports World HQ site. Pick Store Locations list, and the lookup field will be Sport Categories. That's the one we just created. So let's save the form and check if everything works in SharePoint. Click on Soccer. Great. Now let's say if a store manager needs to locate certain product that is not available in his store, he can quickly reference this list and find which other locations carry this product. You can sign up for a free 30-day trial of Plumsail Forms for SharePoint app today. If you found this video helpful, click subscribe to get more useful tips on how to manage your SharePoint. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below and we'll make sure to get back to you shortly. Thank you for watching and see you soon.